Making this video at 12% right now. Wait, okay, that's very low. Okay, I found out a tactic. It was first shown to me by my friend that I refined it. You just press the farm button. You see how fast that was? Okay, let me just give you a test sample. 3, 2, 1. See? See how fast that is? Oh, my inventory is full. Real quick. You see how fast that was? How fast that was? That's insane! Only 8K. Not good. It only worth like 2 dragon fruits worth. And also, I got daffodil, an orange tulip, and another bigger orange tulip. Oh, wait. Let me just. You see that? At this point, it can't keep up. It's insane, bro. I can't even lie. This is gonna be great time saver. Oh my god! The insane thing is just insane, man. It's insane. Wow, that refined version of that thing is so good. Insane even.
Bumalik ka pag alam mo na yan. Hindi yung isa ka lang papasok dito. Isa ka lang papasok dito.
Ooh, you see that? Let me try and show it to you again. Only worked a couple seconds though. What is worth it? It's insane. This would have helped me so much back then. Since you see this golden mango and the regular mango and these 4 coconut trees and a couple of more stuff in it. Yeah, there was an entire farm over here. I could have just do something like that. You see that? That is insane, man. I'm gonna end it here. I feel like I'm gonna lose all my battery from recording. See you at the next time I can make a video. And oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I sound like this, oh, just look. Not only is it 9%, I'm recording this after midnight. So I'm kind of feeling tired, but not that tired. Yeah. Oh! Dude, that was literally insane. Only works for a
Ang
couple
pangungusap na
times.
kailangang tunan ng nawawalang
Like
salita
10.
ay, bakit hindi mo siya blank? Ang sagot niya ay, wala pa rin confetti. Nasaan ba yung mga trabaho na kanina sila, si kumakain. Pero yung taga-confetti, wala pa din. Sa kagaling, hindi na makakaredy. Dito. Ang pangungusap na kailangang tunan ng nawawalang salita ay, bakit hindi mo siya blank? At ang sagot mo ay, for what? Ha? Isang salita lang, hindi pwedeng dalawa. Anong tamang sagot?
Oh, I thought I would get a badge for getting the basic sprinkler.
Is that your final answer?
Okay, I'm ending the video. Thanks for watching.
You have to say yes or no.
I play a game 30 minutes past midnight.
Answer is inaaruga.
Okay, bye.